In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to pronounce the American English B and V sounds. These sounds can be very challenging if you speak English as a second language, especially if your native language is Spanish. Before we begin practicing these sounds, let's take a look at how we form them and what makes them different. Let's start with the B sound, as in the word boy. The B sound is a member of what we call the stop sounds. To form stop sounds, you have to hold your breath before you say them and then push out the sound or the air. After you say the sound, you must stop. For the B sound, you begin by placing your lips together and holding your breath. You'll feel air build up in your throat and in your mouth, and then you push out the sound with a little explosion. The B sound is voiced, so you'll be pushing your voice out like this. B. B. Let's try saying that sound together. You ready? Lips together, hold your breath, and then push out the sound. Here we go. B. 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 Okay, that's it. Now it's very important to remember you must put your lips completely together. If you don't put them together and you push air out, it will sound like this. And that's not the B sound in English. In American English, we will hear that as a V or the V sound. Let's take a look now at how to pronounce the V sound, as in vet. The V sound belongs to the group of sounds we call the continuant sounds. These sounds can be continued or prolonged for as long as you can push air out of your lungs. To make the V sound, just place your upper teeth on your lower lip. Your upper lip really doesn't do anything, so you want to keep that one still and let your top front teeth show when you say it. Like this. Let's try saying it together. Remember, lightly press your upper front teeth on your lower lip. Try not to press hard and try not to bring your teeth over your lips too much. We don't want to do that. You want to keep your upper lip flat. Everything's nice and relaxed. Make sure you can see your teeth. Nice and gentle. Okay, good job. Now, let's pronounce the B and V sounds together. I'll do them first, and then I want you to repeat. Here I go. B. That's it. Let's do it again. B. Are you getting it? Now that you've learned how to say these sounds by themselves, let's practice in some words. First, the B sound. Remember, your lips need to go completely together. Hold your breath and then push out the air. Don't let your lips rub against each other, otherwise we will hear it as the V sound. Try this word. Boy. Bat. Boat. That's it, good. Now some V words. Van. Vote. Vase. Very good. Now let's try putting some of these words in sentences. First, the B sound. We'll put the word boat in a sentence. I have a new boat. That's it. Now don't be afraid to exaggerate the sounds as you're learning them. This actually helps you learn faster. Let's try a sentence with boy. The little boy is crying. Very good. On to the V sound. Let's make a sentence with vote. Did you vote in the last election? That's it. Now let's make a sentence with vase. That blue vase is pretty. Good job. Now that you can hear and feel the difference between these sounds, I want you to practice words and sentences. Try to feel your lips together when you say the B and feel the vibration when you say the V. Until next time.